Right now, I'm on Van Dyke, kind of by East McNichols, on the east side of Detroit. We're gonna do a little walk. This is gonna be a different video, different type of a video that I'm used to. We gotta be very careful too, because this is kind of a rougher part of Detroit. But we're gonna do a little bit of a walk. I might have to hide this camera. Like right now, there's nobody out right now, but I might have to hide this camera. So if the camera starts to go black for like a couple seconds, then that's what I'm doing, because I can't let anybody really see me. I don't want to get this camera stolen. But anyways, this is the east side of Detroit, and you can see it's kind of abandoned. That's why I said what I said. It's kind of about 30 degrees out. I'm also watching out for dogs too. We're gonna go in on the other side of all these bushes. There's a couple houses I want to check out, and I'm gonna do another video of an abandoned church over here. But I just wanted to do a little walking video. Get the camera. I haven't seen anybody yet. See, these houses over here, but we're gonna go straight to that house right over there that you see straight ahead. We'll check it out. It looks like it's nice out. I hope you guys are liking the videos that I'm posting. I really appreciate all the support. It's gonna be warm soon. I'll be able to do a lot more videos outside like this and see like hopefully Detroit's got a lot of good things going for it, but the roads are terrible. So you got this house right here, this abandoned house we might go in. And we'll go in a couple more. It gets a little bit more abandoned, but you'll see something in this video, so if you stay tuned, you're gonna see something. I'm just kind of trying to walk fast to get all the way down to the end, or we might go like over that way. And plus I'm also watching for dogs and also people, you know. You never know who's out. So we'll look at this house right up here, spend a minute or two in this one. I'll do my best to make this about a 25-minute video. And if you haven't heard yet, I'm by Van Dyke, off of Van Dyke. See how they have the yellow signs? They're demoing. You can see where there's a house right there. Believe it or not, I'm more afraid of dogs than people. So we're gonna just kind of be a little bit quiet, kind of walk a little bit ahead, see what's. There used to be an abandoned car here. I also got to be careful too behind me, because I am alone. I'm just doing YouTube videos. I'm cool. Not like the police or anything. As you can imagine. Yeah, I'm not like the police or anything. I'm just checking this place out. Yo, all these tires. And back here. All these tires right here. We'll go keep walking. So that's what's going on over here. Whenever I see all those tires like that, I think it's a chop shop that was back here. And I did see an abandoned car here not too long ago. We're gonna keep walking. I get kind of a little bit of a weird vibe in that place. I don't see anybody. We'll take a minute and we'll just walk up in here. I want to just see the inside of this house and show you guys. Got to be very careful. Let me make sure that it's all clear. That's what it looks like. And you also want to make sure that there's no dead people. So this is inside this house. Hi guys, you see me? See? Always gotta be careful. We're gonna make our way. Hope you guys are liking this. These are the type of videos I'm gonna do when it gets warmer out. I haven't seen one person yet, but sometimes like up on the telephone poles, you can see cameras. Like, cause it's like no dumping right here. But I'm liking doing this type of video so far, as long as I don't see anybody. Like I said, I might have to turn. If I do, I think I might have to make a left and go over here. I want to go through some other houses, and or I might make a right. I can't remember where the other houses are. But eventually we'll end up at an abandoned church, and I'm gonna do 2 videos. So the video to the abandoned church over there, I'll put in the description section for you guys. So after you watch this video, you can see it way over there. But I think what I'm gonna do, because I wanna show you guys some more houses, is I am gonna make a left. This is where I'm at right now in Detroit. Gilbo and Wisner. But I'm hoping you guys like it so far. You could see this is a whole neighborhood here. That house, there's people in. I mean, I don't see any cars, but there's probably people that live there. But this is a pretty abandoned part of Detroit. Right by City Airport. You might actually see a plane take off from City Airport. That's where I'm at too. So if you're not familiar with Van Dyke and East McNichols area, I'm at the City Airport area. That's an abandoned house over there. That's an abandoned house over there. That's an abandoned house. This one is. Also watching for dogs. Keep going. Yeah, it looks like it's nice out, but it's actually pretty cold. Excuse me, guys. You know what? This is what we got going on here. Yeah, that's pretty abandoned. I thought there were more houses. Yeah, I'm just doing YouTube videos. See? We'll go check out. This looks like I might not go in this. I might not go in this house. I'm just checking out this place, guys. I'm actually a real estate investor. I'm gonna think, guys, for about 30 seconds. Holy crap, guys. Jeez, look at this in here, guys. I'm not gonna go inside because it's pretty nasty. I'm just gonna kind of go out here. I'll use the zoom here. Look at all this stuff, bro. I'll show you guys what I see in here too. Just how much garbage. That's like a whole basement down there full of garbage. Up in there, mattress. Let's go back here. Yeah, this is ooh. Yeah, I'm just doing videos. I do real estate appraising too. I just make stuff up. I try to make a little bit of noise, you know what I mean? Because you can imagine, I'm here alone. I'm not that big of a guy, so there is a risk to what I'm doing. That was a nasty house though. We're gonna keep walking. Get out of the mud. I thought I heard something. But yeah, that's the house right there. And as you can see, no houses over here. The fence that you see way down there, that's City Airport. How much? Oh wow, it's only been 10 minutes. We're gonna keep walking. It might get a little bit boring for about 2 minutes. I was thinking there were more houses over here, but I'm gonna go through a couple more houses at least 2 or 3 more houses. I'm gonna try to pick up a little bit of speed, walk a little bit faster. That way you guys are just watching a walking video of me, but you can see up there. See, I don't know if that camera's working or not. I'm not doing anything illegal though. If the cops were to come up on me, I would just tell them the truth. I YouTube Detroit and I do different neighborhoods, and I'm not doing anything wrong right now. So this street up here is called French. We're gonna keep walking. I'm getting my steps in today. I might actually, you'll be able to see the church up here. If I can do a walkthrough of the church, I'll do the church with this video. Make it one long video, because the church will only take about 5 minutes. But see, this is all this right here, the city airport. You're on YouTube, so you got cameras up there and stuff. They dump a lot here. Excuse me. We're gonna walk. This is all city airport right here. Oh, okay guys. Yeah, we're just gonna do it. So in like about 3 minutes, we'll be at the church. So you guys are gonna just have to watch me walk, or you can skip ahead 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and you'll see me in the church. But I also have to be careful too. But yeah, this is we have Metro Airport in Detroit. If you're not familiar with Detroit, this is City Airport right here. That's more for like business people. If you visit Detroit, you're not going to be coming to City Airport unless you got money. See, that's another street down there. Nothing down there. Weissner Street. Yeah, this is Detroit. Like, some of Detroit's really populated, but this is the east side right here. And there's some places on the east side that have a lot of people. This is one of the most abandoned parts of Detroit, though, that's for sure. I don't know who that is. Looks like somebody on a bike. Keep going. Very quiet. It's like 12 o'clock noon too, so it's like no people out. Yeah, I wonder what that is down there. Yeah, you could like almost hear a pin drop. We're gonna go, I don't know what that is down there, if that's a... We're gonna have to sneak in the back of the church. I was gonna go in the... That's the church right there, by the way. I was going in the front, but I don't know what or who that is down there. So we're gonna have to sneak in the back of the church, if there's a way to get in, or I'm gonna have to wait for whoever that is. So you guys get like a little bonus. You guys get a little bit of a walking video. And now you guys are gonna get an abandoned building video. It looks like there's a way inside too. I'm gonna hurry up and try to get back here before whoever that was comes. I think it's the community church. I just do YouTube videos. Yeah, we're gonna get back here. Hurry up and get in fast. Excuse me. I just do YouTube videos of abandoned buildings and stuff. So this is the church. I'm just gonna go a little bit slow. Kind of readjust, you know what I mean? I am alone. I gotta get my phone out just for a second. Yeah, I just do YouTube videos. I'm just trying to sorry guys, I just got my cell phone with me. And plus two, like it's a different type of environment, you know what I mean? I just want to take some, get my phone. What was that? What is that? Oh, but this is it, guys. This is a community church right here. I hope I don't have to run into a body in one of these buildings. Carpet's still pretty good. What is that? Smoke alarm? What's that van doing? Oh, what the hell? I keep hearing that beeping. I'm just gonna walk out here real quick just to be sure. See what the hell? Community Pilgrim Missionary Baptist Church, guys. I'm gonna end this video right now. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Get away from that beeping. Let me go check over here real quick. Let me know what you think. This is an abandoned church. It sounds like a smoke detector. Yeah, I think it's a smoke alarm. What's over here? Zip ties. Hey, okay. So, that's it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Take care.